Hey YouTube, it's your boy Paulie C with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning, coming at you with a quick reveal on Carpet Cleaning Guys vlogs. And what I mean by that is every day I get people who have viewed my how to start a carpet cleaning company videos, or I had one really long one where I took the time to kind of verbally explain a lot of the details that you may be interested in on New Startup. I ended up making those private videos because the amount of attention I was getting and the amount of people that were trying to contact me to be a coach or to offer them advice, the emails. I even had people showing up at my doorstep wanting to do ride-alongs, which I do not provide. But I've had a re-interest in those videos by a ton of people. So for a limited time, what I'm going to do, absolutely free, is I'm going to mark the videos back to public. So they'll be available. I'll put the links to the two main videos that everybody wants access to. So if you missed those videos or you're interested in those, I hope this helps somebody out. Again, please understand, I thank you for being a part of my channel, but I am not a business coach. I do not have the time to do ride-alongs, but for a limited time, probably through Christmas, I'll leave this up as a special thank you to my followers. So take the time, take notes, enjoy the videos, and if you're starting a new business, I wish you all the success in 2022.